Welcome to Smart Kid Learning. Today's lesson is about present continuous tenses. In this lesson, we will discuss about the when it is used, how it is formed, tenses structure, formula, form of verb. Present continuous tenses is used to describe actions, actions happening now, changing situations, expressing time. In positive tense, we use is or am with verb first form. In negative tense, we use not after the is or am. In interrogative form, is or am should be in the beginning of sentence. For example, she is eating. She is not eating. Is she eating? She is playing badminton. She is not playing badminton. Is she playing badminton? In this example, playing is the verb with ing form. Actions happening now. For example, he is playing football. The sun is shining. I am learning English. Actions that is already planned. He is watching movie with his friend next Sunday. I am writing essays on Monday. I am taking my English class on Tuesday. Changing situations. The climate is getting hotter each year. Her health is improving by leaps and bounds. Let's practice. For example, he is talking to his friend. Now you try. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.